My God. So this has been sent as a gift from a follower. We're celebrating like I've been born for the first time. A little trick to stay at these hotels, maybe for a lesser price.
ये जोखिम भी एक ऐसा है कि अगर आपने भाग्य का भरोसा करके फिर दाव लगा दिया तो आपको फिर सड़क पे ला सकता है.
Morning, we've just woken up in Shimla and the weather is ideal. It's mad sunny. The monsoons have receded. So, yeah. Dear Mr. Gulati, it's a special occasion. Happy birthday. Thank you, Ji. They've sent this cake. Now, if they had sent the cake last night, we wouldn't have to spend 1100 rupees on a cheesecake. But no problem. Anyway, that's our breakfast spot. It's just getting set up. Look how sunny that is. It's crazy good. Alright, this has to be a very stunning view. Like a total valley view. And actually when it's misty, that's also beautiful, but sunny is also nice. So there's breakfast is going on. We just thought we'll do an in-room dining today. Sort of relax. Papu no sadi sastrikal. And we just honestly are so grateful that we've woken up all fine, fit and fine. You know, we've got to thank God for that. I'll put some sunscreen as well. And this is of course another balcony of the other room. That's the tennis court down there. If you see that glass structure, thale, that's the swimming pool and there's an outdoor jacuzzi. I'll show you all of that. But this is how the rooms look on the higher floors. They didn't want to keep balconies on the higher floors because like people might want to jump off or something, right? But anyway, that's our spot. We had a little bonfire last night and this is how it looks. Well, I use these 3 creams on a daily basis. It's like a facial moisturizer. Pretty good. Dynasty cream. हाँ ये try करो. And then this is a normal वो जेरे tester नहीं मिलते store तो. This was a facial moisturizer. This is also good. And this is the sunscreen. Beauty of Joseon or something. But pretty good stuff, man. Chill vibe. अच्छी है. So we've called for breakfast in their rooms and this is how it's come. Oh, Jasmine, I called for a French press for you. And we've got juices, cappuccino for me, we got muesli and fruits. Then we got masala dosa and idli, this English breakfast tea for mum. And we got scrambled eggs. Oh, this is the scrambled egg?
Yes.
Oh, damn, that's very runny. I'm actually famished, man. I think whatever we've called for is gonna be beautiful. And the property is barely sold out, but it's honestly such a good experience this way. A first sip of coffee, oh,
It hits you, right?
it hits you. It's like the first sip of beer on a summer afternoon. So good. And by the way, these guys are sitting in the top. I really can't handle it. It is so hot. It's quite a vibe. So, Papa, good experience dining in the balcony?
ये एक नया एक्सपीरियंस हुआ.
है ना?
हमें वहाँ पसंद ही नहीं था जाना.
हाँ, उठ के जाओ, ये करो, वो करो. एंड जो परफेक्शन से इन्होंने ले किया है सब कुछ, इट्स अनरियल. सो pretty happy. We'll have the breakfast, we'll enjoy the breakfast, and then I'll tell you a little trick to stay at these hotels, maybe for a lesser price. Of course, the trick is off season, but I'll tell you more about that.
मैं जब टोटल 16 साल का हुआ,
हाँ,
नहीं 16 नहीं 18 16-17,
हाँ,
तो मैं जुए में 9,000 रुपये आ गया.
हाँ.
तब मैं चाय की दुकान करता था. 9,000 ही कैपिटल. दिवाली पे जुआ चल रहा था. ये सोच के 9 के 18 हो जाएंगे.
हाँ.
लेकिन मेरे पास पैसे खत्म हो गए. नेक्स्ट चांस में मेरे वो 27 भी हो जाते हैं, लेकिन पैसे ही नहीं थे लगाने के लिए. 100 रुपये में रोटी मिलती थी फौज में. 300 रुपये का नौकर था. 400 रुपये एक वोट का वो निकाल के ये सोचा जब तक 9,000 रुपये पूरे नहीं करूँगा तब तक सारा काम खुद करूँगा. बर्तन भी धोए, मिठाई भी लाई. एक रात 12 बजे तक घर नहीं गया. टेलीफोन होते नहीं था. जहाँ हम कैंटीन थी जहाँ जाते थे वहाँ ऐसे था. करीबन 1,000 फीट खाई में उतरना पड़ता था. आज भी है वो जगह. गिरने का खतरा. रात माँ 12 बजे आई थी वहाँ. बीच में एक नाला पड़ता था. नाले के ऊपर कुछ नहीं रहा, एक लकड़ी रखी थी, उसको पार करके जाना पड़ता था. इधर 2 बीघा था. तब माँ के साथ वापस गया तो माँ का कर्ज तो कोई नहीं होता. माँ इसलिए चिंतित थी, घर में नहीं आया 12:30 बजे.
Crazy. We love you, माता.
वो ढाल ना, हम दिन में डरते थे उतरते हुए क्योंकि गिरते थे कई बार उस जगह पे. और उसने रात 12:30 बजे कैसे पार की होगी और वो नाला कैसे पार किया होगा जिसके ऊपर एक सिर्फ लकड़ी होती है. और आज भी वो जगह है.
अच्छा, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? हम ऐसे ही गार्डन में बैठे होते हैं, नाश्ता कर रहे होते हैं, तो यहाँ क्या फर्क है?
आपको डिस्टरबेंस नहीं हो रहा है.
और किसको भागना नहीं है कहीं।
नहीं, डिस्टरबेंस भी नहीं
चाय
होता।
मंगाऊं आपके लिए?
डिस्टर्बेंस ऐसा है, कोई उधर से नहीं देख रहा आपको, कोई उधर मिलने नहीं आ रहा, कोई आपको आवाज नहीं दे रहा, कोई माली नहीं देख रहा
I
आपको,
have one important
servant
point
नहीं
in
है।
this. Papa's cell phone is off.
हाँ, पापा सेल फोन हमने बंद करा दिया। कल तो वी डिड अ डिजिटल डिटॉक्स, सबके फोन्स कॉन्फिस्केट कर लिए थे, एंड whoever touched their phone first has to pay the bill.
And Karan Gulati cheated.
I touched my phone first, so
You cheated.
I didn't cheat.
बच्चे केड़ा रोज खा रहे
यार वो बीटरूट वाली डिप बनाना, वो तो क्रेजी थी। I don't know if you can tell, this thing's shaken. The entire table's shaken.
इधर का नहीं है bro।
Personal earthquake है इसका। ये देखो,
Confined to a little zone.
can you see? I don't know if you can, but
है ना,
You can make it out of the glass up there.
yeah, it's shaken.
On the water glass up at the back.
But why? You're a science student, तू ही बता।
I'm telling you, Pastor.
God only knows.
The zone of influence is only that much.
But anyway, we're having a very good time, just relaxing. Papa's gonna head out for work. I'm gonna rest up, and then Jasmine and I will go work out. माँ थोड़ा की plan है आज?
मैं भी चल पड़ूंगी तुम्हारे साथ।
Mata's also coming to the gym. Let's go. Yes, treadmill, please. Good idea.
उससे क्या सीखा और क्या मंदी में देखा। कह रहा मंदी कब आई मुझे तो नहीं पता। हम इतने अमीर थे कि हम वैसे ही घूम रहे थे, वैसे ही खाना खा रहे थे, वैसे ही पिकनिक मना रहे थे। हाँ, सिर्फ एक फर्क आया था कि मेरे पिताजी ने 5-7 लोगों को और रख लिया था घर में काम करने के लिए कि इनका परिवार मंदी में ठीक चल जाए।
Wow.
तो तब बहुत अमेरिका में आलोचना हुई थी कि ये बंदा क्या राष्ट्रपति में, पब्लिक जिसको दर्द ही नहीं पता कि मंदी का क्या है, लेकिन वो राष्ट्रपति बना।
पर मंदी का पता इसलिए नहीं लगा ना कि मैनेजमेंट भी
तो
अच्छी
वही कह रहा ना, यही तो चीज सीखी कि मंदी ने भी नहीं तोड़ा उसे।
Yeah, but the concept wasn't that ये story I've also read. It's not about that वो पहले से अमीर थे, because उनकी basic needs met हो रही थी. They were only looking at.
तो वह पर्याप्त वर्ड क्या बोला बाबू?
sufficient.
सफिशिएंट मैंने क्या बोला कि सफिशिएंट जब होता है तो उसको पाने के उसको दांव पे आप लगा देते हो सफिशिएंट को और पाने के लिए।
पर एक बात बताओ, जैसे हमारे पास डिसेंट कार्स है घर पे, राइट? बट हम फिर सोचते हैं कि अब स्पोर्ट लेनी है।
लेकिन जब आपकी इनकम बढ़ेगी तब करना, बिना इनकम बढ़े नहीं कर सकते। भाग्य और जोखिम दोनों भाई भाई हैं। अगर आपको भाग्य ने कुछ कमा दिया, आपने कोई शेयर लिया या कोई प्लॉट लिया, वो एकदम 6 गुना हो गया, तो आपके भाग्य ने दे दिया। लेकिन आप जोखिम को भी मत भूलो कि जोखिम भी एक ऐसा है कि अगर आपने भाग्य का भरोसा करके फिर दांव लगा दिया तो आपको फिर सड़क पे ला सकता है। जोखिम को क्या कहेंगे भाई? रिस्क लेना। तो जब सफिशिएंट है तो आपको कमाना जरूरी है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं कि आप सब कुछ दांव पे लगा।
मैं तो ये मानता हूँ कि कंटेंटमेंट एक लाइफ स्किल है, बिकॉज कहा जाता है अपने मीन्स में रहो। बाणी भी कहती है कि कंटेंट रहो, भगवान ने बहुत दिया है, दिया है नेचुरली, द फैक्ट दैट वी कैन टॉक, ब्रीथ, वॉक, व्हाटएवर। बट वो डेवलप कैसे, अंदर कैसे उतारे कंटेंट? हाउ डू वी ट्रूली इम्बाइब कंटेंट?
उसके लिए आपको,
बिकॉज अगर कंटेंटमेंट आ जाए, मे बी एम्बिशन चला जाए
ना। एम्बिशियस कभी नहीं जाता, एम्बिशियस कभी नहीं जाता। इसलिए कहते हैं ना, पैसे को खर्च करके अमीरी दिखाना पैसे को कम करने का सबसे सरल तरीका।
पैसे को खर्च करके
अमीरी दिखाना, अमीर दिखना पैसे को कम करने का सबसे इजी वे है।
मतलब हाँ, दिखावा तो जीरो करना चाहिए।
अब ऐसा है ना कि आप ब्रांड पहन के अपने को अमीर दिखना चाहते हो, लेकिन आप अगर एक ब्रांड बन जाते हो तो आपने अगर ब्रांड नहीं भी पहना तो आप अपनी ब्रांड वैल्यू से जिए जाओगे।
That is so true.
But then isn't it all of this the same? Like when you say that we should be content with what we've gotten, फिर ये वही हुआ ना, this is like working on yourself as an individual, like
आप कोई भी
ego
आदमी
छोड़ना, चढ़ती कला में जाना, ये सब कुछ it's a work in progress. तो कंटेंटमेंट भी आपको अपने अंदर उतारने के लिए एक progress।
जैसे एग्जांपल है इंडिया में भी, मतलब चाहे आप अब जैसे आज हम किसी को भी ले लो, नाम क्या लेना, कि इतना पैसा होने के बावजूद भी वो फिर उस पे लगे रहते हैं कि और पैसा कमाने के लिए वो फिर क्राइम करते हैं। लेकिन वो क्राइम उनको कब जेल में ले जाती है? तो इसलिए इज्जत, दोस्तों का प्यार, फैमिली का प्यार, इसको दांव पे लगा के कभी ऐसे काम नहीं करने चाहिए।
Agreed, Bapu. I love it. I love it.
वही तो है. I think all of this awareness से आती है ना ये चीजें. जब आप पढ़ते हो, एक I think there's a balance when you start that you always are attracted by beautiful things and everything. Once you can achieve it, it loses its value for you.
Yeah.
People who have sufficient वो ये बात कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, that is so true. Once you've made it, you realize it's not that important.
Yeah, but once you haven't made it, you're always trying to get there. And all of this realization कि आपके पास contentment होनी चाहिए, आपको health पे ध्यान देना चाहिए, ये सब कुछ like ये matter नहीं करती, health चीजें matter करती हैं. आपके पास ये सोचने का time इसलिए क्योंकि आपकी basic जो needs है for survival are met. अगर वो needs ना survival की met हो, you can't think about all of it. So I think when we say that ये contentment आना चाहिए, ये सब कुछ आना चाहिए, it comes after
A minimum amount of money made.
it can come without money also, but if again you keep spending time on learning from people been there, like you read books.
So personal evolution.
Personal evolution. If you're thinking without doing anything, you'll get there. I think like Osho says that that's why you need teachers in this time and age.
Yeah.
Like when he talks about like in that book True Name, he says because giving up saying, like even people who say I'm content, there's still an I in it. Just letting go of ego and everything completely, that's why we all need teachers.
I think that's the biggest requirement of today's day and age, good teachers. And not just a geography or history teacher. Those teachers are very important and we owe almost everything to them, but life skills, like what really matters. And that teacher needs to have been there, done that. It's pretty much like Bapu, been through mentors. And mentors are also flawed. You can have different mentors for different aspects. So yeah, that's basically it.
Perspective देते
तो
हैं.
इसलिए ना मतलब मैं एक गजब कह रहा हूँ ना कि मतलब मैं एक आदमी को सलाह दूंगा कि वो कुछ करे ना करे, 1 घंटा बुक जरूर.
Read books, that's very important.
मतलब इतनी जरूरी है.
Chaji, last night we cut a cake, and before Bapu leaves for work, we're cutting another one. It's a special day, and honestly, I'm just so grateful to God for everything. My God! Did you get this done?
No, but then it was your birthday. I told them.
That's this decor does not look the best, but I appreciate.
Oh, they love this.
Oh damn, son!
Maybe that's why it's a special arrangement, maybe.
यार बहुत अच्छा करके गया.
Oh damn! 883. It's a recent print. Nestle. Oh, that's you. That's so cute, babies. Janus, Manus. Hi! So cute. This is a nice. I like this one.
We should send out.
अच्छा मैं चल रहा हूँ.
I'm gonna video call Alpini.
Wow, this is quite something.
ओके जी.
Okay, be safe. If you need anything, please call us now.
My photos.
Love you. Take care. Thank you. Bye, Ji. That was such a wonderful gesture. But heard. Zarur gym javange. We've been lazing like insane. But this is our true holidays for us. We don't want to step out. Kithe bhi nahi jana asi. Just want to relax. And I've had so much mitha. Oh, the view is killer. Look at that. I would just read here all day, everywhere. Killer view. And as far as this is concerned, gesture 10 on 10. But Tolia decoration needs to just go extinct. I think Tolia decoration needs to go. And this Tolia decoration is giving me a lot of honeymoon energy, which is not appropriate. A lot of people actually think that Jasmine, who's my sibling, is actually my partner. So they get it all wrong.
But Dubai also people.
Dubai also, yeah. We were traveling, just the two of us. And there also people were like, oh, I thought we were a couple or whatever. But anyway, Tolia decor needs to go out, but really appreciate it. Appreciate this so much. This is stunning. So good. They printed it out yesterday, 883K. So yeah, anyway, some photographs they've taken. But yeah, really grateful. Now finally, I'm going to do a quick Instagram upload after the gym, baby. Thank you, Ji. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay, we've just sort of worn our warm clothes and stepped out for a little walk, digest the food and stuff. Now, if you think why I'm wearing a sweater for a workout, it's because this mean car forgets to pack her sweaters and has to borrow mine. Now, everyone hates me for packing heavy and I'm not a light traveler, but then they're all borrowing my clothes. So, I mean, the joke's on them or the joke's on me because I get to lug around the luggage. But yeah, this is how it's looking. It was sunny all day, all morning, but now it's gotten a bit cloudy and we don't mind. We'll just walk around, see what's where, just try to explore the property. This is the first staircase we're sort of going on, trying to explore this, see where this one leads. Beautiful. Happiest in nature, happiest living the slow life. So walking, we've come to this little outhouse. If this was a horror movie, of course, a lot of things would happen in that outhouse. But yeah, we'll just keep walking, see where it goes. But stunning, man. So grateful we could come attend this place and be here. There's more outhouse energy. You know, they should convert this into cottages and these would sell out. Very neat cottage. Let's see what's at the end of this. We've come to the very edge. You can see a lot of fallen trees. Naturally, the view of the hotel from here is mind-blowing. Quite a view. Insane beauty, really. Now we'll go up the second set of stairs. We've turned around from the first one. Let's see where this one leads. So this is a second set of stairs, right? So it goes down like this. I think this sort of goes down to the staff quarters because this looks like it's properly maintained and stuff like that. Or maybe it's the spa. Where's that spa? Must be in the property only. But anyway, this is another little cottage. And this is the view and a fat ass camera looking right at you. Now we'll go up this little staircase that winds up. Let's just check it out. Hello ji, namaste. कैसे हैं आप? Nice. The nice chair and table there. Stunning. Whoop, whoop. Nice. I think we just want to take a moment to breathe in this energy, what we feel right now, how grateful we are. And the best thing is my mom's pledged to get back to the gym and workouts. So we're gonna all keep her accountable. Because we were walking up the stairs and she's like really panting, so that's not a good thing, na? Taking care of your health is essential. But yeah, this is what vacations do, man. They make you think differently. They make you think, I want to be here qualitatively for long. Of course, subject to his will. So we've come here now, we've sat down here and there were just a couple sitting here smoking weed. It reeks of weed, but quite a setting to smoke it in. If you enjoy that stuff, quite a setting. But yeah, no judgment, man, to each its own. Stunning. Okay, now that is done. Now we'll go see the lawn tennis court. This is the parking and you can see the supremacy of SUVs and also white cars in India, man. 90% are white. Whew. Really vibey place. Gotta give them that. I think this is more of the administrative parking. And this is the way to the tennis court. Yep. Someone's basking in the sun. So one thing I actually want to do in life is just learn lawn tennis properly. It's always been a sport that I've really enjoyed watching. And I think it would be tremendously fun. I should get to it. I don't have any inclination to go for an instrument. I played sitar in school. I'm sort of done with that. But I think I want to do something with lawn tennis, you know, learn it. I think this is sort of a jungle trail that you can see. Also looks pretty cool. Let's go check that out now. This is the jungle trail. Yeah, we will. I'll certainly show Bapu everything. Yeah, it's like a proper trail. Man, it's good for a run. And this thing goes up also, man. There's this. This is like one. and this is the second.
Let's go with that.
Aja. We've come up these steps. Maybe it goes up there. Let's see. That looks beautiful, man. Unreal.
Bro, I need help, friend.
You won't. You've done all levels of IYP, bro.
No, but I need to, like, this is height, na?
और कर यार 2 मिनट. मैक्स ही होगा, गिरेगी और क्या.
नीचे गिरूंगी.
आजा ना. फोन छोड़ दे.
फोन कहाँ फेंकूं?
लकड़ी पे. Yeah. That easy. Okay. Come to the top, I guess. There's that structure.
वो खंडर.
आजा थोड़ा चलते फिर वापस. हाँ? Crazy, bro. This needs to be explored. है ना?
I think this bit I didn't need.
And you can't do all this in the rains naturally. So thank God the weather is beautiful. So this is the picnic spot. ये आगे कहाँ जाता है?
सर अगर आप जाएंगे यहाँ से आगे से एक डाइवर्जन आता है राइट और लेफ्ट के लिए, तो अगर आप लेफ्ट वाले पे जाएंगे तो वो स्ट्रॉबेरी ट्रेल है हमारा.
हाँ.
लास्ट में ब्लू बोर्ड है उसमें. वहाँ से आपको मैं रेकमेंड करूँगा कि वापस आ जाए. वहाँ से आगे IHM है. तो IHM वालों का बैक एरिया है.
हाँ. अच्छा प्राइवेट है? गवर्नमेंट है. और अगर राइट जाएंगे तो वो ट्रेल है.
वो अगर आप राइट जाएंगे तो तब आप डेंस फॉरेस्ट के अंदर घुस जाएंगे. फिर वहाँ मैं बिल्कुल भी रेकमेंड नहीं करूँगा.
तो ये किसका है? ये होटल प्रॉपर्टी है?
नहीं सर, ये पूरा आपका रिजर्व सेंचुरी है सर.
हाँ.
तो यहाँ पे मतलब आप कुछ भी नहीं कर.
Nice, nice.
This is the picnic area.
Yeah, one of them. This is a picnic spot. Okay, sure. What insane trails. Insane trails, man. We haven't seen something like this. This sort of access in other properties. I think that's why the charge is magnificent. But that's the thing, you have to come here and stay for a bit to explore all this. Because if you're checking in, checking out, it's not going to make a lot of sense, right? Acha, we have to also discuss how one can get a good deal. So basically around this time, which is like not so busy, for Udaipur, Jaipur, Agra, Vanyavilas and Shimla, you get 3 nights in the price of 2 basically. So try to take advantage of that. That really reduces the cost. It's anyway off-season pricing, and then one day is on the house. So look at us, we're getting good weather. The weather's good. There's less people at the property,
Which we truly appreciate.
which we appreciate. So that way it's a good time to travel. Just do your weather forecasts and stuff and you can enjoy. Yeah, Gabbu Jan would have enjoyed this trail so much.
We should take Gabbi and all to Vishanti wala trailer.
Yeah, we will. I want to take them to a little foresty area. And Oika also hops and runs. So these bachas are damn fit, by the way. And they would have enjoyed this thoroughly. And we miss them so much. So much. Mata is waiting for us. Hi, cutie pie. We're supposed to go lift. All this walking has really created an appetite. Hanji, बोर तो नहीं हुए? पापा से बात हुई? Masti, how's Masti? What's your name, sir?
My name is Vijit.
Vijit.
Sharma.
Where are you from?
Born and brought up in Delhi, sir, but 10 years with the company, moved around.
Nice, nice. So when did you first see the videos?
Almost 3-4 months back.
Right.
But then I really,
Hello.
I mean, the one which your father says,
Yeah.
I could really relate. It's almost like how my father talks.
Yeah, true, true. No, it's my pleasure.
Pleasure meeting you, sir.
Thank you. Bapu's damn famous, brah. Bapu's highly famous. We've racked up quite an appetite, so we're gonna sit and eat first. I'm famished.
Do you want to have wine or something?
Nahi bhai. No. What have you ordered so far? Nothing. Let's decide what to order. Really hungry, and this is what it looks like. Beauty. To the family, chal raha hai. Thank you, sir. What's on TV? Thank you, G. Man, we've been going bonkers with mitha, man. Dessert on dessert. This is a coffee thingy. After this, gotta go strict on creatine and stuff. This is insane. We're celebrating like I've been born for the first time.
You were born only once.
you get the idea.
You're not born every year.
We're celebrating like I'm getting younger.
The white hair and the beard says you're getting young.
Yeah, but really good. And the service is exceptional. Gotta give it to them. Now, because we've eaten, we're gonna take a nap.
Then we will wake up and we will feel like we need to have a coffee before we go work out. So we're gonna eat something again, and then we're like,
Naturally. And then we were like, "Chala Mall Road chalte."
oh, we did get some movement in today.
We did get movement in. That got us so hungry, man. We'll just go check out the gym. Jasmine wants to. You've never seen the gym?
I think we did see the gym last.
चलो यहाँ से नीचे.
Maybe Wildflower के हिसाब से कम.
हाँ. But ठीक है. These machines weren't all there when I came. यहाँ तो we can get a very decent workout done.
Yeah, I want to come work out now.
Yeah, same. In a while.
Do you guys want to do Mall Road today? I think tomorrow should.
Yeah, we'll do a gym.
Personal trainer available on request.
It's okay, I don't need it. But अच्छा workout हो जाएगा.
करते हैं.
है ना? And the gym is disappointing, but the pool is just quite something. Okay, that is quite something, man.
I think we should come to the pool. It's
Yeah.
so empty and nice.
Yeah, that's the good part about off season.
You look here.
And there's an outdoor jacuzzi, which is even better. And the pool is massive, man. Dude, look at that. I think you should chill in the property today.
That's what I was telling you.
There's people outside, but insane. So beautiful, man. Stunning.
फूल कोई देंगे वो तुझे?
I cannot handle more dessert. Okay, so this has been sent as a gift from a follower. That is wild, I guess. But anyway, I'm gonna take a nap. These tolias need to go. Jasmine.
Just pick it up.
No, we'll become trashy, na. Let's just call them and clear everything. But what a nice gesture from an Instagram follower. Really appreciate this. The cupcake and the roses. Wow,
अरे अर्पित को देखो.
quite a vibe. And let's see the view, the garden view. Woo, woo. What a beautiful view. Hi, good afternoon. Can you please send someone to clear up the bed? Thank you. But thank you so much. जिन्होंने भी किया. अब ना थोड़ी.
Comfortable?
Yes, बहुत नींद आ रही थी. मैं कहा तौलिए पे तो सोया नहीं जाए. कैसा काम रहा आपका?
बहुत बढ़िया.
Yeah, good. What a day, man. What a beastly nap that was. कितनी देर सोया मैं? Whatever.
1 hour 15 minutes.
1 hour?
15 minutes.
But needed it, man. Just like totally overcast outside. Let's see what the parents are up to. Appu, you look so handsome.
बाबू.
Hanji. Somebody's all ready for the gym. Chalo, Jasmine ka. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's finally work out.
After all the meat we've consumed.
But the exhaustion was real, man. Headed to the gym as a family. Gonna force them to get on the treadmill for a bit. We have made it.
To the gyms.
चलो अब थोड़ा वर्कआउट करें.
6 किलोमीटर पे चल जाता है.
Let us go. Yes, please. Nice warm up. कितना फिर सर जी? How's it going?
6.1 की स्पीड पे.
नहीं ध्यान नाल बस. Yes, ध्यान नाल. But how does it feel? 18 ਮਿੰਟ ਚੱਲ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ. 1.5 ਕਿਲੋਮੀਟਰ. ਵਿੰਟਰ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਪਲਾਨ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ? ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਵਰਕਆਊਟ?
रोज करांगे.
रोज करेंगे. You guys better hold him accountable because we've tried. Yeah, one thing he doesn't miss is yoga, so that's I appreciate it. Anji Mata, gym जाना है तुसी? Yes. It's just Jasmine Kaur doing back and biceps, and I'm hitting shoulders and chest. कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा.
है ना? आने का मन नहीं करता.
हाँ बिल्कुल, लेकिन आगे तो बहुत अच्छा है. तो लगता है कि मैंने और सबसे जो सोए हुए हैं उनसे 2 घंटे अपने बचा लिए.
जब उठ के पाठ कर लो.
भाई मैंने पाठ कर लिया, मैंने योगा कर लिया, उसके बाद मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट की तैयारी और साथ साथ लंच भी बना लिया, तो मेरा तो टाइम बच गया ना सारा.
हाँ. पर उठने का मन नहीं करता.
मैं उठने का मन नहीं करता.
Right.
लेकिन अमृत मेरा तो उठती हूँ, जिम जाने की चोर हूँ, अमृत मेरा तो उठती.
Yeah. हाँ जी, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸੋ. How do you feel?
बहुत गुड यार, मजा आ गया.
Yeah. Feels good, ना? यही तो लेसन है लाइफ का कि मेहनत के बाद मजा आता है, मेहनत करके नहीं मजा आता. मेहनत feels lovely after. करो अच्छे से. Isn't 5 heavy?
That's what I'm not understanding.
Oh, it's fine. She's doing hammers. That's my strong mother. Oi, hi. Let's go, buddy. We're done with the workout. Let's head to the pool. Just gonna quickly change. This is what the changing room looks like. Steams like on that side. I'll just show you. Steams on that side. I'll just show you. Yeah. A cold shower and steam. So yeah. That's basically how that looks. Ma Bapu already at the pool. I'm just gonna go join them. मैं कहने लगा था सुबह में.
मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ?
पापा 3 स्टेप है. This is off season.
My name is so good. रात में अपना मजा है, दिन में. Alright Bapu, any thoughts? ਕਿਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ?
ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਉੱਤੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਦਾ ਸ਼ੁਕਰੀਆ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਉੱਤੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਦਾ ਸ਼ੁਕਰੀਆ.
I know. We love you, Ma.
लव यू बेटा.
ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਵਾਰ ਸ਼ੁਕਰੀਆ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਘੱਟ ਹੈ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ.
गॉड ब्लेस यू.
God bless you too, sweetie.
हमेशा मेहर रखें तेरे ऊपर, बच्चों के ऊपर, पापा के ऊपर.
ओहो, ये तो प्रेशर है पानी.
Yes, Jasmine Kaur. How's it going?
Amazing.
Yeah?
Yep. This is incredible.
This is very warm. This is 35 degrees
Yeah,
water.
It's amazing. And I think it's cold and you don't feel cold at all.
Yeah. All right. Thank you everyone for joining. This is an incredible day. I'll end with this thought. If I came here with friends, the only thing I'd be thinking of, man, I wish I got my parents. I want to get Ma Papa here, right? So that's what we think wherever we go and explore something new. We want to just get our parents. But thanks. Tomorrow we'll do some other stuff in the city and I'll show you that as well. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for the support.